What if your kitchen had gadgets so crazy they actually made life easier? From smart tech to oddly satisfying tools, these inventions might look over the top, but they genuinely improve everyday cooking and cleaning. Today, we're exploring 5 of the craziest kitchen gadgets that are surprisingly useful, and number 1 is on another level. The motion sensor trash can may seem simple, but it instantly makes your kitchen feel futuristic. With just a wave of your hand, the lid opens automatically, keeping things hygienic and mess-free. It's perfect when your hands are full or dirty from cooking, and once you use it, going back to a regular trash can feels outdated. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer is one of those gadgets you didn't know you needed until you try it. It removes air from jars to keep food fresh for much longer, making it perfect for meal prep, leftovers, or preserving ingredients. It's compact, easy to use, and oddly satisfying to watch in action. The Thermomaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking meat. It connects directly to your phone, letting you monitor temperature in real time without opening the oven or grill. Whether you're cooking steak, chicken, or anything in between, it helps you achieve perfect results every single time. The Smart Coffee Mug is a small but powerful upgrade to your daily routine. It keeps your drink at the exact temperature you prefer for as long as you need. No more cold coffee halfway through your morning. It's sleek, modern, and perfect for anyone who likes to enjoy their drink slowly without reheating. All the links to these gadgets are down in the description, so be sure to check those out for current pricing and availability. The rotating pizza oven takes the top spot because it feels like something straight out of a restaurant kitchen. It spins your pizza while cooking to ensure even heat distribution, giving you a perfectly crispy crust every time. It's fast, efficient, and turns homemade pizza into a professional-level experience. These crazy kitchen gadgets prove that sometimes the most unusual ideas can be the most useful. Whether you're looking to save time, improve results, or just have more fun cooking, these tools bring something unique to the table. Which one would you try first? Let me know and subscribe for more.